In this video, I'm going to go over how to use ChatGPT. If this is your first time, go to OpenAI.com if you want to go get the full feel, and it'll tell you a little bit about ChatGPT. And also, I do have a previous video, if you haven't checked that out already, about what is ChatGPT. I would instruct you to do that. But go ahead and hit Try GPT. It'll take you to this website, chat.openai.com. And so if you have an account already, go ahead and log in. But if you don't, click the sign up button, and I'm going to follow you guys along with this. Go ahead and type in your email address and then click I'm not a robot. Or if you feel comfortable continuing with Google or your Microsoft account, do that as well. All right, now it's saying to create my account, so I'm gonna go ahead and type in a password and meet you guys at the next screen. All right, so once you do create the account, you need to go verify your email. It just takes a quick, easy step to make sure you're not a bot. This is one way that they do that. So once you did verify your email, just try and refresh the page. All right, now it's gonna ask a little bit about us, so go ahead and fill in your information. This is where you type in your phone number just to make sure that you're a real person. Once you get the code sent to your phone, go ahead and type it in. And this should be the last verification that you need to do. And boom, there we go. This is a free research preview. Their goal is basically like feedback from users, and it seems like they have a ton of users right now. So just go ahead and hit next. Hit next, hit done. All right, now here we are. There's some examples right here that you can go ahead and see how to type in a prompt, or if you're already ready, just hit new chat over here. You do have dark mode, light mode, and they do have a Discord. And if you want to read some frequently asked questions, you're more than welcome to do that. But I do like the dark mode. I'm gonna go ahead and turn off my ad blocker to make sure everything works. All right, now I'm hitting new chat. Now let's give it a prompt. Hit send. So I asked it to write me a kid's story, and basically what it's doing is pulling from various different data sets, and it is returning a pretty long, substantial story. And why I said in my previous video, this is great for web developers, because web developers usually write a bunch of text for websites to get ranked for good search engine optimization, and to have this much text that makes somewhat sense, you don't have to think of it on your own anymore. Basically AI is doing it for you. That really helps out, and it really shortens the web development process, which could help out. But at the same time, can this be used maliciously? I think yes, but hopefully that's not going to happen. You can clear your conversation once you're done with it. You can even edit it. You can edit the name of it, and then you can delete it right there. If you don't like the response that it comes with, you can regenerate a new response. As you can tell, this is really cool software. This is like next generation technology. Anything that you really want it to do, it can do for you. I don't know if you guys have been seeing new ads about AI cartoon generators for people. Those are really cool. This is where the future is, and you guys need to get ahead of this. Start messing around with it, see if you guys like it, and definitely leave some comments down below telling me how you like this or what you're gonna do with it. And if you're a web developer like me, also leave a comment down below. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and subscribe, hit that like button, and leave a comment down below. I'll catch you next time. Later, fam.
Tell me pretty lies.